Hey guys, this is Mamta. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to recreate this makeup look. Vogue recently posted a video on YouTube, Sonam Kapoor doing her 90s style makeup tutorial. So I really like that look and I decided to follow her. So if you guys want to know how I recreate that look, then please keep on watching.
Hi, I'm Sonam.
Hi.
Today I'm doing the easiest thing that I can do to look glamorous, which is typical 90s Bollywood style makeup, which is called, it's like this smudgy brown around the eyes and there's kajal inside the eyes. It was made super famous by this makeup artist called Vicky Contractor, who is an institution and he's amazing. And he taught this to me. And so I'm going to do that, and I'm going to do an amazing red lip, and I'm going to look like a typical like Indian Bollywood actress. Okay, so let's start. So now let's start with my skincare. I'm going to do vitamin C. So I just take it and pat it on my skin.
Okay, hold on. I need to take my vitamin C. Okay, for some reason I don't use vitamin C in the morning, so I'm going to use my serum from LENAIGE. So I'm also taking my moisturizer from LENAIGE, and I'm going to take a little bit on my hand, and I'm gonna do same like her, like what? Yeah, and apply all over my face and include under my eye and eyelid. Okay, basically everywhere.
Sunblock with Dr. Strong's
Okay, so next
drops.
is sunblock.
Especially
So
on
for
the
me, I'm going to
forehead.
use this Innisfree Extreme UV Protection Sunscreen. It's 50 plus, and I'm going to use this all over my face like her.
I use coconut oil on my lips. It's this like really cool Indian brand called Forest Essentials, and I use that on my lips, and sometimes I use them on my eyebrows, on my eyelids,
Eyebrows.
and I like it.
For me, I don't have coconut oil. I have this Burt's Bee tinted lip balm. I really like this. This moisturizes my lips so well. Like, I really like it. And for me, like applying coconut oil on your eyelid is a very good idea because it's good for your eyelashes. But then if I apply coconut oil on my eyebrows, then I don't know, boli bana mero ito dira pimple huncha. Okay, so we are just following her. So yeah, okay, so next.
So I have this corrector that I like to use, which is an orange corrector. I don't find many products for like Indian girls or like girls who are my color, because we have like a very, I think, special tone.
Using orange corrector, for me I'm going to use Elegor Pore Concealer, and it's on the shade CZ990 orange corrector, neutralizing dark tones under eye area, and then cover my spots right here.
So much. Now I'm going to use the Bobbi Brown one. Please guys, don't, I know you guys have discontinued this, but please don't. Use a little bit of concealer. I don't need to use. I have this amazing powder from La Mer that I use. It's got a little bit of shine underneath. Basically, take my sponge and get rid of the lines, which I have after 30.
I'm doing the same.
And I kind of just push it into my eye, under my eyes, like that. Then I take the rest of it and put it over my eyes because I have lines everywhere. Start with the eyes, which is the fun part. I'm using this NARS pencil to do this smudgy. It's a disaster. I didn't know that you can sharpen it, and you just did this. So I tried sharpening this pencil. I'm an idiot. Okay, I'm gonna come really close. It's gonna be pretty.
Okay, so for me, I'm going to take my Revlon Gazelle. So just like this. This is my this is out of my comfort zone. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Oh my god, this is not me. This is not me. This is. Okay, so next to smudge her liner, she's taking a Hula bronzer from Benefit, and I'm also taking the same Hula bronzer, and I'm going to smudge my liner as well.
Guys, now it's a little freaky the way I do it, so don't judge me.
Okay.
And then I lift it up.
No, I can't do that.
And then I do it in the other eye as well. So when you do that, it just makes your eyes look.
No way, hold on. I can't do that. Oh my god, it's so dangerous. Oh, no, 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 no.
There's this really cool product that Cherish, my makeup artist in LA, showed me. It's basically this Givenchy thing. You can't see it, but there's like shine on it, and I love it. I love using brushes. I used to paint when I was younger.
So for that sign, I'm going to use my Benefit Vanity Flare Nude Eyeshadow Palette, and I'm going to take this set here, right here. It's very kind of shiny plus nude, and then I know maybe the camera doesn't pick up the color, but it's very beautiful color. I like the color.
So you know how people try to contour their face a lot? I try to make my face a little fresher and brighter. So I love using blush. It's like one of my favorite things. And I just do this. I just rub it in. I'm sure all the makeup artists who are seeing me do this are going to be like,
oh, so next she's using her blush. So for me, I'm going to use my BODYSHOP blush. And it's kind of pink.
Now I'm going to do a little bit of bronzer. I love this Benefit bronzer. I think it's like
amazing. So for me as well, I'm going to.
So I don't usually need contouring, but once you do foundation,
so for me as well, I'm going to take this Benefit bronzer.
So you need to bring back the shape in your face.
My skin a little bit, just like her.
That I do my eyeshadow with and just
on eyes.
Oh,
so she's using her Benefit Hula bronzer to create her.
This is me doing it. It's not some like professional makeup artist.
Okay, I'm also going to do that. Balla आँखा जस्तो देख्यो. अघि त क्या flat है? What's the difference? मलाई पनि यो कट क्रिस गर्न एकदम मन पर्छ cuz यसले चाहिँ हल्का डेफिनेसन दिन्छ आँखालाई, बल्ल चाहिँ अलि शेपमा देखिन्छ. Other than that, my eye looks so flat.
I'm gonna do my highlighter now. I use this palette which is like 3 different shades, but I only end up using the one which is in the middle.
Okay, so next is using highlighter. For me, I'm going to use this soft and gentle mineralized skin finish highlighter from MAC, and I'm going to use my cheekbone, brow bone, over here, here, and here.
He looked kind of crazy because he always asks me, why do you do this? I was like, I'll show you.
Okay, so next she's curling her eyelashes.
Done.
Okay.
Now let's do the mascara. So usually I just close my eyes.
Next is using her mascara. So for me, I'm going to use this Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and I really like this mascara because it's waterproof and it holds my lashes whole day long. No, I can't do that. No, I cannot. I need to open my eyes.
This is something that just lasts on my lips like all the time. It's my favorite color. It's called Dragon Girl from NARS, and I have been using it again since I was like 21, 22. It's amazing. I feel I can conquer the world when I wear red lips. It just makes me feel so good. I follow the shape of my lip line because I think I have pretty okay lips, and I don't.
So next she is using her
Like
wet lipstick. It's from NARS, and for me I'm going to use this Huda Beauty liquid lipstick. It's in the shade Heartbreaker. I really like this lipstick because it smells so good. Just like her, I need to line my lip first. Just like this. Color as effectively, so I use a little bit of it and it makes my lips feel light. It's KAJAL, like 16 because
this is like a sindoor liquid thing. It's only for married women. My husband, who
okay,
is
so
Indian,
next is using sindoor, and I don't have sindoor, so I'm going to use this liquid lipstick. It's from Colourpop and it's in the shade Ribbon. It's kind of red, so I'm going to put a little bit on here, just like her.
And I don't have a bindi, so I'm just going to use.
So for the bindi, I'm also going to use my Revlon kajal, just like this.
This is me wearing my silver jhumkas. These are from India. I think they're my mom's old ones, which I've stolen from her. They're real silver.
She is wearing pinjara wala jhumka, and which I don't have right now. So this is our final look. So I'm also done. Do I look like Indian? If yes, then comment below. So hope you guys like this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video, and let me know guys what you guys want to see in the next video, or whom should I follow next. Don't forget to leave some suggestion in the comment section below. Take care. Bye bye.